right, so we're changing the transmission in this 1982, or what was a 1982 Chevy Cavalier, which has had a few modifications. Right, here we are trying to stab the transmission, the new transmission, into the car. We're having to fight the multi-disc clutch and the hydraulic throwout bearing, but we're just about there. All right, so the transmission is in. The new hydraulic clutch is all adjusted. You notice that multi-disc plate. This is circle track transmission, so a lot different than the street. We'll see how it works when I have to drive it on the street. As long as I have the car up in the air, we're going to show you how sleek the bottom is. Lots of great hardware. Quick change rear end, all the way back to the fuel cell. Okay, the transmission is in. Drive shaft's all hooked up. Shift linkage. And we're all ready to go. And down she comes. Kind of handy having a lift in your backyard.